Good evening, Nikhil.
Good evening. How are you?
Nikhil,
Yeah.
what I did, I don't know. Please check
What?
that
What I
table
did?
control. You told no, using that second tab.
Okay. You can share the screen, Tanya.
Yeah.
You have given the table control, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Are you getting the data?
No, actually, it's going down. Okay, I want to ask. I have to write all that code in this. There will be only one process before output and process after out input. In 9000 skin, I have to write all code now.
Yes.
See, I use this. Actually, I don't know. Am I right or not? See, is this visible?
Yeah, this is visible. Yeah.
I use this loop here.
No. BBRP needs to be written in the 9002. 9002 is the item screen, right?
Yes, I wrote, but in that time, same time, that was dumb. See, I uncomment that.
Uncomment it.
Then I have to delete from there, no?
Sorry? Module status we don't need. Module, what's the use of module status then?
Okay. It was coming by default.
It will be coming by default, but we don't have to use it.
Okay.
Also use a command, we don't have to use it.
This.
Yeah.
Then I have to delete from here. I have to delete.
Loop ITVBRP, it's not loop. It loop at ITVBRP, right? No. PAI.
Sorry?
PAI. I'm talking about the PAI.
TAI. What is TAI?
PAI, process after input, then the head you have written. It's loop at ITVBRP.
Yes, yes.
No, 15. I am talking about the 15th line.
15th loop at. I have to delete it.
No, you have written loop only, right? What is this loop? What you have written is totally not right.
Okay.
This 7th line, this 8th line needs to be written. No, this is wrong.
And then
this is wrong in the sense means this needs to be written in 9002 you have written, right? It's not in 9000. You don't have to write it. 9002 you have to write it. Comment that. Loop at ITVBRP. What I have said means whatever the screen those details needs to be written in that particular screen only. Is this BBRP using it in 9000 or 9002?
BBRP in 9002 I wrote initially there. Then that was dump same time.
What was the dump? Can you just check?
Okay.
I got it. The thing that you have written is wrong. That's why. I just want to see what you have done.
And also select query I wrote. I don't know where it to write. See this?
No, don't activate despite syntax errors. Syntax error is there. That's why.
Then how?
Look, statement ITVBRP is not defined. Check your spelling. That is what it is.
Yeah. Okay, BBRP.
Can you just check my? Can you just take an administration and take mine? That table control one that you have done.
Table control.
Yeah. No. Table control. That program that I have done.
You have did that one. Okay.
The table control one. You remember that program name?
Yes, I think it was 1.
Okay, try.
2.
No, I don't.
2. 1, not 1.
Okay, it was. Okay.
SAP MSD NK, yeah.
Yes, 2 after.
And Gaurav.
Yeah, Nikhil.
What you have done is wrong as well. That means for the item now have set for the module table control, right?
Okay.
Item we have to write it in table control only. How much data it will be coming for an item? Header can be 1. Item how many? Can have multiple, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see what was the code that I have written and what you have written there. This loop at IT stood now that you have to write it in a single line. This is not a 2-line. Check your code. Check your code first. Check your code also.
Okay, okay, understood. Means here.
You can make it top, but you can write it, but it's not the right way. You have what you have done it. Okay, take it off.
I have to write like this.
Way. This is a single single statement. That means loop at IT stood IT VBRP into WVBRP with table control and loop. This is you have to write it like this and check
that
the
was
age.
wrong.
That was not wrong, but this have to be written like this. Don't take it as loop at and down IT VBRP. It's not the way you have to write it. And check the 8th line. You have to check it mine also and check that. What was the error?
This loop at internal table. This.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. This is what.
Okay.
Loop at. You have to write the loop at. It's not just loop, single loop. What you are trying to loop? It's not written anything, right? You have to say loop at. Execute it, activate and execute. Activate first. Activate the whole program. Execute it.
It's coming.
That's why I have said it. Why you have given it execute here in the second tab? I haven't got the idea.
Oh, actually, I saw from there. No, same time I did that. I will delete.
On the single execute now, those details needs to be fetched and put it in there. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So show me the query that you said something, right? Query was not getting here, showing something.
Yeah.
I don't know what you said. Okay, use a command. Okay, get data.
See, here I write this. Is it correct or not?
It's wrong.
Why?
I have said now. What is the parent?
Parent is this one, VVRK.
So what is the child?
VVRP.
Then you have to write it inside the sub-RC, right?
Yes. First I write there. Then when everything was going down, that's why.
No, the thing that you written is not the wrong thing. Wrong one. The error is in the somewhere else, and you have write it in the here somewhere something. Okay, the error was there. Loop at. Okay. The loop at was the thing which is showing error at that time, but you have changed it here. This doesn't make any sense. You can directly take it in the top. If the VBRP or the VBRK is getting the data, then we have to fetch it from the client, child also. Okay. And I don't know, I have already said that you are getting the WAVBRK, right? Can you see it in the 15th line?
Yes.
So I have also, at the same time itself, I have also taken for the not the IT VBRP with the Veblen as GV Veblen. 24th line. I am talking about the 15th line as well as the 24th line.
Yes.
You have given the data from the GV underscore Veblen, right? You have got the data and you have got it in WVBRK. Fine.
Yes.
After that, in the 24th line, why you have taken the same GV Veblen instead of taking WVBRK Veblen as a parameter?
Then
Actually,
no, I'm not understanding. What are you saying?
Cut it. 24 to 26. Cut it right now. And put it inside that. No. Cut it and put it inside that.
Okay. Cut.
Yeah.
Inside. After message.
I'm talking about the sub-RC. I have
okay. Here.
Right.
Yes. As we wrote previously. Inside sub-RC.
It's fine. Okay. We have done it in the ALB, right? When you're taking the data first, what you are writing? The parameter. Can you just put a breakpoint in 15? Yeah, execute. No. First of all, activate it, then execute. First of all, activate it.
Okay.
Then breakpoint, give it. First module pool, is it module pool 1 or module pool 3? Which one is that?
3.
3. Select that. Right.
Mm.
Okay. Put a breakpoint in 15. I don't know. Yeah, choose. Yeah, okay. Take another session and execute it one more time.
Okay.
You're thinking
Ooh.
wrong. What you're
Yes.
thinking is wrong. It's not the way. We have already written it in the previous ALV and all. I don't know why you have
Yes, but
give the data and execute first.
okay.
Okay. So you have given 6.3, right? So GV underscore Abap, take it. 6.3. Okay. What about WVBRK? So data is not there. Select single staff from VBRK. You have taken the data from VBRK only, right?
Yes.
Do one thing, just taken another entry. Go to VBRK and check. We have the VBRK detail is there.
Okay, I take another entry.
Yeah. Taken in inner one. Execute. One more time. F5. I'm talking about F5. Yeah. WVBRK check.
Nothing.
Yeah, double click it. WVBRK double click on it.
Yeah.
So what was the details that we have? We have the Babylon, right?
Yes.
Go back, desktop 3. Then for the VBRP, why you have taken the same GV Babylon for the checking? That means Babylon is equal to GV Babylon. Why you have taken it?
No need to take.
17. I'm talking about the 17th line.
Yes.
Select star from VBRP into table IT VBRP where Babylon equal to GV Babylon. Why you have taken it? GV Babylon. That is the other question is.
I don't know.
You have done the ALV report, right? So at
Yes.
that time, when you got the child, what you have done? Are you taking the same parameter or you are taking from the work area that you have got it previously?
I'm not understanding what are you asking.
Okay, do one thing. Just take the ALV report that you've done. One ALV report. Its parent and item is there, na? Just take one. You have done it correctly, but at that time. But this one, na, you have thought simply, I think, a wrong thing. Just take, which is having both data. I'm talking about the both data. Means item, parent, header and item, I have to get it. Okay, go down. Take the select query. Yeah. So what you have done? Select this one. Select Babylon Bucharest book
Okay,
from.
for all entries from
No, I'm not talking about the foreign entry, but we have got the data into IT EKK, right? Then in the second query, what is the parameter that you've taken?
Parameter that was
Babylon is equal to.
Okay. Evelyn is equal to internal table.
Yeah, internal table you have given it. Okay, fine. So there you have the work area, right?
Yes.
And I have also not taken the work area, and instead of taking the whatever the parameter that you choose, why you have taken it then? So what I'm talking is that go to you haven't got the idea till now. I will be saying the answer right now. Just go to the
smartphone.
Sorry.
Smartphone we have written from work area.
Yeah, in smartphone we have written. I think. Yeah. Can you take the trial program? The single parameter trial program that you have written, so that you will get an idea. I want work area to be there. That's why. Go to the smartphone trial program one.
Okay. Smartphone.
The last session you can take it and use that for the smartphone trial program one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Surmi, you got it. What I'm just trying to say, right?
Yes.
Okay. Gaurav, you got it. No, I don't think so. Gaurav, I will give it.
Okay, I took work area, so we have to use
Yeah.
work area, no?
Yeah, that's why I'm asking that. Why you have taken the same
Data is
parameter?
coming. Okay, okay. Okay.
Okay, what
Yes.
think? Just go back. Go back.
Go back where?
That's why we are trying to take the data from there. Yeah.
Okay.
No, the previous module pool one. Yeah.
This one.
So what I said is
I
that
have to change here, no?
no, not that thing also. If we have the header and item is there, then we have to take the header first. After that, we have to call the sub-RC. And for the item table to take, we have to take that work area, whatever
Work
in the
area,
table is there.
okay,
That
okay,
we
yes,
have to take it.
yes. Okay, okay.
Think of that if GV Babylon, whatever you have written, give is one. Okay. One is the data that you have given, but we don't have the one right in the VBRK table, right? Okay, so what you have done for the second table, you have taken the GV Babylon also. So same query, it will be going one. We don't have the data, right?
Yes.
So that's why when trying to write this query, now always try to take it like this, that way only. Okay, this is wrong.
Okay.
And always when the parent and child is there, after the parent, we have to call the sub-RC. Okay, and we have to take the second query inside that only, not outside.
Okay.
What's the use of if the data is not coming, then what's the use of going the same parameter to the child as well as the parameter to take the data? Already we know that VBRK doesn't have a one, which is the GV Babylon is one, right? If one is there, we have to go. Otherwise, we don't have to go, right?
Yeah. Okay.
That's why I'm saying. Think when you try to do it. That's why I'm saying try to take the debugging breakpoint now and try to check and do it. We already have everything in the WVBRK. You can correct it. Shalini, you can correct it right now. F8. Change it. No, where Babylon?
This I have to write, no?
Is
This
equal
one,
to same one. You don't have to copy it. It's the same thing, right? You can
yes,
directly
yes.
change it. Is equal to WVBRK Babylon. Fine, you got it right. Okay, activate it and try to take the session one more time. Yeah. This is the way we have to write. Don't ever take the parameter which is going there. We don't take it at all. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Don't ever take it. That is wrong. Okay, you can check the work area right now. Oh, no, you can check the work area right now. Just press F5. Shalini, one more time, guys, check it here. The line is in the 15, right? Hello?
Yes.
So that if you want to get the data which is in the WVBRK, that line needs to be executed. So if it is going 16 now, 16th line, if that yellow, that arrow now, if it is 16, so that we can say that 15th line got executed. Okay.
Okay.
Only if and only also that WVBRK will have the value. If you can check, can you just click on the WVB? Okay, just now just go to fine.
Okay, I do it again.
So you got the WVBRK, right? Babylon has got that. Yeah. Desktop 3. Desktop 3. I'm talking about desktop 3. One more time. Sub-RC, check sub-RC. Sub-RC. I'm talking about sub-RC. S5 sub-RC. Double click on that. No, in the top. Okay, fine.
Okay, top.
Both are same. It's fine. So you can see sub-RC is equal to 0.
0.
If and only if sub-RC is only 0, then we have to take the second query. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, press F5 one more time. Can you just take the last WVBRK Babylon and click on that? No, not the VBRK. I want to see the whole. Till now, last. Can you scroll down to right? Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Click on the Babylon.
Babylon only.
See, right? No, Babylon. I'm talking about this Babylon only. You can see WVBRK Babylon, right?
Yes.
Right in the right. Look in the
Yes,
right.
yes, here, no.
Yeah, that's why we have to take it. That is the way we have to take the data. Okay.
Okay.
WRK, VBRK has got the value, right?
Mhm.
And we have to take that based on that only. Don't try to take that in the previous like that. Okay.
Okay.
FY one more
I
time.
have confusion how to use this select query.
You have already done
Now
it now.
I'm clearing this gradually.
Okay. FY.
F8.
Yeah. FY also. Yeah. Fit. Whatever. Yeah. Check tab 2. No, the data is not coming. You have to check it by.
But data is here. No?
It's IT VBRK. Fine. Are you getting the data in IT VBRK? Did you check it?
ITVR. Okay, wait.
FI. Yeah, check IT VBRK.
VBRP na?
Yeah, IT VBRK. Sorry.
No, it is not taking. Why? Nothing is happening. Here.
Okay, 4 data is there. 4
Hmm.
is there. Okay, rest of 3. I don't think so that you have done. Go back. Yeah. Okay. Can you take that layout for the VBRP? F8. Make it a fit. Anyway, we're not getting the data, right? Close it. You can close the session here. Not that close. Yeah. Okay. Maybe in coming 1 or 2 class, the whole topic will get completed, I think. Select the screen. Okay, this is not the program. Okay. (9,002). Go to the layout. So take the execute, remove it.
Hmm.
Just delete it. No, you don't have to take
No.
it. Edit it and delete. And press the delete button.
Yeah.
Make it big.
WA work area you are talking about.
No.
Then
What about the second line?
higher. This
No. What about second? I'm talking about column. Second.
all
Yeah.
this one.
No, this is still this.
Okay, I have to write work.
1 minute.
You have given it for the header only, right? That means the description. We don't have to give the description for the header. What are the data which is coming? We have to give it for that only.
Okay, this box for
The same thing that I have said to Gaurav at that day. You remember that?
yes.
This one you haven't
Yes.
given it.
Okay.
This item higher that you have written, that one doesn't need that. But as you have written it, it's fine. Leave it. It's fine. But you don't have to give it for that thing, that top one, that header thing. That we don't have to give it. The data which is coming needs to be there. We have to write it for that only.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we have to do something. Whatever. Surmi, hello.
Sometimes in my table that item something like that was not displaying. Why? I have sent you the screenshot.
Item. What
No, that heading item higher
Yeah,
bill quantity. Similarly,
we will see.
that's my problem.
Yeah, we will see.
Okay.
Activate the whole and check it. Shall we?
Yeah.
Execute it one more time. Debugger is there. Yeah. F8. You can remove the debugger first. You can remove the debugger.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's coming now.
You got it?
Yeah.
That is what the issue is.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. That select query was very troubling me.
You don't have to trouble that. We have already written that in the previous different times.
Yes,
Now.
we written lots of time, but I
Try
was
to
not
write it down in the
understanding.
paper. First of all, try to write it down. How you have to take it. Just simply 1 or 2 times you write it. You will get an idea.
Okay.
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 If we are trying to take the header data into a internal table, okay, then you have to write for entry. If the header details are there in an internal table,
Okay. Okay.
you have to go with for entry. It's in the
Mhm.
internal table, right? It's the work area. We don't have to take for entries, but we can directly take the data. It's only single line is there in the work area. We can directly
Yes.
take the value from there as a parameter
Yes.
for the second query.
Okay. Okay. Now I got.
Write it down and try to take that. Just simple points, write it down.
Okay. Okay. I typed in. Okay.
If you are getting the data in a work area, you can directly take that work area hyphen whatever the values that you need. If you are
Okay.
taking in the internal table, then you have to take the internal table for entries.
Okay.
And that's the parameter in the last, where
Mm.
Babel is equal to that IT, VBRK or whatever, hyphen Babel. If it is from the work area, you can directly take Babel is equal to WA VBRK Babel.
Okay.
But the second query needs to be in a subasi, inside the subasi of the parent.
Oh.
Okay. If whatever the queries you are typing is not dependent, then you can directly write it outside. That we have done that also, I think.
That in a smart form we used. Yeah.
If it is dependent, we have to write it inside the subasi. If it is not dependent, we can directly write it down in the outside.
Okay.
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 Yeah. Gaurav, we can share.
Nikhil.
Yeah.
In second evaluation, after how many days it will go?
How much?
A second evaluation after how many days it will?
I don't know. Maybe in the next week. If I'm saying that, maybe in the next week you might get the calls. Maybe I think so. Okay. Try to be clear in whatever the specific topics now that you are written. I have to say one more thing that I will see. Yeah, I will see that. Yeah, Gaurav, we can see the screen. Hello, Gaurav.
Second will be based on only smart form and model pool. No?
Yeah, module pool only. Yeah.
Previous topic they will not ask.
No, maybe in the third review they will ask the entire topic in a single go.
After second they will take third or after project.
Maybe after project. Okay.
Okay.
They are making to find out that you are lacking in that only. That's it. That is what they are thinking basically. Second evaluation means smart forms and module pool. If you can answer it most of the time, most of the things now, so that they won't ask for another third evaluation maybe at that time. Maybe after this sessions and all, maybe after the assignment, they will have a single hold. Otherwise, they might ask for multiple things. Maybe if you have still doubts, they will connect maybe a buddy or maybe something like that. Maybe another person who can teach you maybe at that time. Based on that, however you're trying to answer it now, based on that, they will do as per my knowledge. Okay. Gaurav, yeah, we can see.
You will give.
I'm doing wrong.
You are doing wrong. What in the sense means what?
You said no. Item table.
Yeah, you have taken it as what?
Let's see how it looks.
When you have messaged me at that day itself, I have said it that you have to take it as a table control for the item details, right?
Okay, why we take
Message.
that? Okay, understood now. Why we take for that
You
column
message
and
me.
row, no?
Not for the column. Header detail have only single line, but the item detail can have
Oh,
multiple
sorry,
lines,
I'm
two
not.
lines, right?
See.
Yeah, that's why we can't take it in a single work area. It has got multiple lines, right?
Okay.
That's why we have to take it in a this one internal table, and we have to show it in a table control. So Gaurav, you have write it ulta, right?
Yeah, ulta.
Okay, then you can directly change it maybe. Yeah, item.
Okay, fine. I change it.
But I don't know why. Can you just make the screen big? Okay, have taken enough number of details. Okay. Billing doc header. Okay, fine. This is fine. Billing doc based on the radio button, it will be showing, right?
Yeah.
But billing doc item is wrong. Billing doc item needs to be table control. Same for sales
Okay, I
doc item.
change it. This window I change it. This screen.
Take the sales doc
See,
item.
for screen I have to change. Yeah.
No. Sales doc item. Take it. Sales doc item.
This is also same.
Okay, you have to change this also. Why it is showing
Yeah.
the label? Why it is showing the label only?
Because I make it no
Make it what?
grouping.
Grouping means fine, but why have taken it like this way? If it is, if you don't want to show those details now, we can directly disable the label as well, right?
Label also.
Yeah.
Okay,
Same way.
fine.
Same way.
Yeah, same way.
Yeah.
We have given the grouping, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
if we are trying to give the grouping in for the label as well, it will directly not showing it, right?
Yeah.
Part of the purchasing doc item. Gaurav.
Same thing I done.
Okay, what was that material
That's why I
doc
say
header?
no.
What was
I
that
make
material doc
mistake.
header? What was the material doc header? What is the material doc item? Just material doc has only one header is there. It doesn't have any item.
Yeah,
at
there
all.
is no item. This is material doc something.
No,
Material
you can
document
directly remove it.
description.
Not the way. Not the way. Don't try to use that. Delete it. Okay.
This one
Material-
I have to delete.
Yeah, delete. Yeah, it doesn't have item. Material only
Yeah.
single table is there. Okay, don't try to.
Description. This is heading.
Sorry.
I think.
No, I'm not talking about the header only. Sorry, I'm not talking about the this tabs. I'm just saying material has got only single table. It doesn't have item.
Head.
Okay,
Yeah.
just a single head. What? Tab is fine. Single tab is fine. You don't have to give it material doc item. You don't have to give it. You can directly remove
Okay.
that screen. Okay.
Yeah.
The entire screen you can directly remove it. For the material doc item that you have created different screens, right? 8000, 8001, 8002, that those types of things. Gaurav,
Yeah. Make it.
I'm talking.
Yeah.
Can you just take that multiple program? Can you open it?
This one.
Yeah, this is what does MKPF item MSCG. Okay. Header MKPF.
Yeah.
You're taking the data. Okay. Okay, that's the way that you're taking it, right? Okay. Item MSCG. You're taking the data second 808008 from MSCG.
Yeah.
Okay, then fine. I thought you are taking the same data from the same table, Mara.
No.
Okay, then fine. It's fine.
I have changed the name description.
Okay.
Okay.
Then you can
Material
change,
description.
change the other things. That means the internal table now that you have to take it and take it in a table control. Okay.
Okay.
That for 8002 item VBRP, 8004 item VBAP, and 8006 item EKPO. Items needs to be in a table control only.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. Then rest of it is fine, right? Have any doubts?
No,
Can
it's
you just share the 8000 screen? 8000. What was the coding that you've done? Okay. Sub 1. Okay. What about the okay? Can you click on the 8001? 8001. No. Screen.
modify screen only. Nothing.
What about that attribute? Is it the subscreen or normal screen that you have taken?
Sub-screen.
Subscreen. Okay. In the attribute, you can see it. Subscreen, right? Okay, fine. And you return the entire.
In Unity.
Sorry.
How to normal screen I used?
No, we can only use the single normal screen for 8000
Yeah.
only. Rest of it is yeah. Can you just click on the 8000 and show me that query that you've done now?
8001.
8000. The query that you returned. Select queries and
One
all.
second.
Flow logic.
Follow, yeah.
Use the command.
Yeah, your content. Yeah.
Tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. Okay. Get data. Select GW Webel, GV Webel, GK.
This one change when table command.
This one is wrong as well. WVBRP where Webel is equal to. I'm talking about the 17th line. Select single star from VBRP item into WVBRP where Webel is equal to what?
WA.
Yeah, WVBRK Webel, right?
Yeah.
We can't use the same parameter which is you have written given in the screen. Okay.
Okay.
That needs to be from the work area previous and that select query in the second query needs to be in a subasi. I have already said item needs to be in a subasi only.
Nikhil, one question, please.
Yeah.
Here, we wrote select single star, we write, no? And after next line, we start from. Then if, is it correct if we write in same line?
Which one, Shalini?
This select query, if we write select single star from VVRP in single line.
It's fine, yeah. It's fine. You can write it multiple lines, yeah, it's fine.
But in loop, we can't write that.
Loop, we can write it, but it's not the way.
Okay, way is wrong.
Way means, in the sense means, you have to find it. The second line that you have written, loop part, that you have not written the loop part, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why I have said, if you're writing it like that way, you can directly write in single line, this one. Select queries, we can write it in multiple lines. If you know that that loop start from there, you can write it. But I don't know why you have written it, that you have missed that at right. That's why I have said you just write it in a single line. Okay.
Okay, this one.
Shalini, you haven't taken that loop at right. You haven't written that at right.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why I have said you can write it in a single line.
Okay.
That's why you haven't seen that error at that time.
Oh.
When you write this select query, we can directly write it. Means if I'm just trying to write it in a single line, the right of the screen now, it will go big, right? You don't have the option to see. We have to scroll from left to right, right?
Yes.
That's why we can directly write it in the multiple lines. If you know that that query is written something like that. Okay.
Okay.
It's fine if you're writing it in a single line. Just one stop and just write it in a single line. Okay.
Okay.
But for a second person to come and say it now, it's a little bit difficult, right? If it is going in after that person, now, you have to scroll it, right? That's why you are writing it by making it write single lines.
Okay.
At the same time, you have written in the previous loop. Then stop.
Right.
ITVBRP, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That is what I have said. Just try to check it and write it down.
Okay.
Gaurav,
Yeah.
this second select query, you have to write it in that subasi only.
Second query. Okay.
Cut it down and write it inside. We are getting the data in a WVBRK, right?
Okay.
After that, if that subasi is equal to 0, then we have to call the second query, right? I have already said it multiple times. Until and unless that subasi is equal to 0, then we have to take the data from the item table. That's the same thing that just I have said it to Shalini.
Yes.
Pretty printer, take the pretty printer. Okay.
Yeah.
Select the single line from WVBRK, we have got the data. After that, to call the second query, that means the dependent query, we have to take this subasi is equal to 0. Only and until if it is 0, then we have to take the second query. Otherwise, we don't have to call the second query, which is not having the value, right?
Okay.
Previous one, you can see that 22 is written and 24 is written. Okay, don't try to change it. I'm just talking to rest of every person. You can see 22nd. Okay, think of that. This GV Webelin is going 1. What it will do? That means the select now that value that you have given there in the screen is 1. Okay.
Yeah.
So then GV Webelin is 1. Okay. So 22nd, we'll check for the Veblen 1, right?
Yeah.
No. Is it? GB Veblen, you have given 1, right? Hello,
Yes.
guys, please respond.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we haven't got any data in WVBAK. Fine.
Okay.
Think of that 24.
Hmm.
It will execute the 24th line, 24th query as well, right?
Yeah.
So what is the use of 24th query? Which the data we haven't got the data in 22. Why you have fetched the data for 24 as well? So 22nd line, it will check if the GB Veblen is 1. Okay. It doesn't got any value. We haven't checked Sabasi as well. Also, after that, it will execute for the 24th line. Select star from VBAP into WVBAP where Veblen is equal to same 1. What is the use of going into the child table? That is what I'm asking. If we haven't got the data for the header, why you have to take the same parameter to check it in the item as well? So if the header value just we got the Sabasi is equal to 0, only if we have to call the second query. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
So we have to take that query, everything in a Sabasi. The second query needs to be in a Sabasi, yeah. And the parameter also, the last parameter. For the item table, you have to take it from the parent, right?
Yeah.
Like the same one that you have done it for the top, first one. I'm talking about the Veblen is equal to what? 18th query I'm asking, 18th line query. What is that? Veblen is equal to what? Veblen is equal to? Gaurav, Veblen is equal to what? WVBRK Veblen, right? We are taking
This
the
one,
data.
nah?
Yeah, we are taking the data from the previous work area, right?
Yeah.
If the data is there, we have to take the work area. That's why I'm asking for the same 25th line. You have to change it into WVBAK Veblen.
Okay, I change it.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah.
And it needs to be IT VBAP, VBRP, and IT VBAP. Child needs to be taken in Intel table.
Okay.
Okay. Child, we can have multiple data, right? For a single Veblen. That's why. Got it. Every query, make it right.
Okay.
And call me maybe tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Surmi, you can share the screen now. Gaurav, you got it right? Have any doubts? You can directly ask.
No doubt.
Check it and find it out. Okay. If you have doubts, you can directly give a breakpoint and check. What is your issue?
Look, after material, description,
Okay.
I'm not getting the heading.
Okay. Can you just take that label? Sorry.
And also, what is this? I didn't give such a thing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, take that layout first of all for the tab 2.
Uh,
9002. I'm talking about 9002.
Yeah, I'm taking 9002 only.
Okay. Can you just make the screen big?
No.
What was that in the top?
I have given.
Yeah, what was that?
Remove it.
Yeah, delete it. This is what that is showing there. Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make the screen, make this tab big first of all.
How?
Just scroll it to the right.
Yeah, I'm scrolling.
No, not the scroll. That arrow just came right in the now. Yeah.
Oh, this.
Just make it big. Okay, and scroll to the left. Okay, this one you haven't given the label. That's why the top you can see
How
the label
can
is
I
not
give?
there.
It's given a stable control only.
Table control
here
is
it
but
is-
the data is there. You can double click on that. Just double click No, not that. This
Then
is
where?
the table control.
Look.
What was that? WVBR ARKTX is there. Then how it will be table control? The table control means that label just gone. That's fine.
How can I give then?
Then, okay, do one thing. Just try to remove that. Delete.
Full table.
No, that particular down. Yeah, just delete it.
Okay.
And take that red blue one and give the field. What are the field you just recure? ARKTX, right?
It's VBRP, right?
WA, what was the table that you taken?
Good. Sorry.
Okay, take that field. When you're trying to do it now, at that time you have just have deleted it. That's why it just gone. But you haven't checked. You haven't seen it when you got it deleted. Now you haven't seen it. That's why you're getting issues here.
Want this thing, description.
Give the tick.
Here.
Yeah. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This way we can add fields, right?
Yeah, we can add fields as well. N number of fields.
Nice.
Guys, got it right?
Yeah.
We can add, we can scroll as well. Okay, Surmi, can you just share the layout one more time?
1 second.
And don't try to do it this now. This
What?
table control, you won't take it in the down, means in the middle. Always try to be it in the left corner only. Start from there only. From the left corner. Yeah. Click on the table control, take it to the left corner. Yeah, left corner. Yeah.
This is
Not in the left corner. We have to, it can go, I think can just go more, I think.
No.
No, then fine, leave it. So this is the way you have to start from a screen. Don't try to create it in the middle of the screen. Okay. We have to start it from the left only. What about the tab 1? Okay. Wait. Double click on any of the. Okay. Can you just do one thing? Can you just scroll to? Okay, you have just taken only 5 fields, right?
Yes.
Okay. Think of that. This material that we have seen, material. Yeah, that material needs to be going to the second position after the item.
Yeah.
Okay. What you have to do, guys? Shalini, Gaurav.
Yes.
Gaurav, you are there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How
Press
can
and
do that?
shift it.
Sorry.
Just press and shift it.
No, not the piece.
I don't
you can
know.
directly scroll that to directly put the cursor in the material and press it and take it to the item.
Yeah, that's same thing I see.
Yeah. No, just didn't keep.
Yeah. Nothing is coming.
Okay. Take the second column. Yeah. That one. Just click it and second one, material. I'm talking about the material item. Yeah. Down. Second line. Yeah. Press it and come to the item. Yeah. Go.
Item or build quantity? Where to go?
After the item only.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Okay, guys, got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the way we have to make the fields now. Go up and this way. Okay. So we can directly take the how we have to show you. We can directly change it as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then double click on. Think of that if you want to make it the description now non-editable. Okay.
I will stop share.
The whole description field now. This column.
Non-editable.
This whole description. That means the item data now, which is that one is. Don't try to think about the header. It's the header. It's the description, right? We have to only think it of from the second line only.
Okay.
From the second row. I'm talking about the second row. Okay.
Okay.
We have to think only from the second row only. Don't try to think from that description that you give under the labels. Don't try to think that. Think of that if you want the description to be make it non-editable. Okay. Shalini, click on the description.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, Surimi, click on the description. Yeah, double click on that. So here we can see. Can you just take that program, the second tab down? No. The right screener that you just got it now.
This one.
No. This
The
one
screen
is
is green.
WBR, we have changed it now. Go to the screen painter.
Okay.
When you double click on that, we have got the small thing, right? Double click on the description one more time.
This one.
Yeah, this one. This is the what I am just trying to say. Okay. Take the program, the second tab. You
Program.
can see in the attributes, right? Attributes. I'm talking about the
Yeah,
attributes.
attribute. This one.
Yeah, this one. You can see input field, right?
Yes.
Guys, wait. Shalini, Gaurav, you can see it,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Untick that input field. Untick the input field.
Hmm.
Yeah, you can see it just got disabled, right?
Okay.
Activate and go to screen. Activate it, Surmi.
This way we can activate or
No, don't try to do that. Sometimes it will get laggy. Go to flow logic and click it. Flow logic. Go to flow logic. Click on the flow logic button. Don't try to activate it from here. Yeah, now activate it.
okay.
And take the screen.
Which screen?
Another session and take that particular screen now. Yeah, run the MPP program. Go to the tab 2. Yeah, go to the tab 2 first of all.
Look, it is disabled.
Yeah, this one is disabled, right?
Okay.
Take give the data, Surmi. Execute. This description is disabled, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is what I'm just trying to say. So if you want to do it now, you can directly do it by this way, as well as we can do it by the program active equal to 0. You remember that, right? That's the way also we can directly do it. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Nikhil.
Yeah.
What is DynPro? DynPro is in model pool.
Pro is module full, but it is a little bit difficult topic. I don't have any way to use it to show it to you guys. That's why.
Okay.
That's a little bit higher topic.
Will they ask from this?
No, DynPro they won't ask how you guys can know that. That's why they don't ask. Those are not the simple topics. Those are the advanced ones. DynPro fields, DynPro screen and all. Those are different things.
I saw lots of question on that. So I asked.
As you are now starting now, DynPro fields they won't ask. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then what? To make the screen non-editable, what we have done. Surmi, can you just share the screen? The same screen one more time. Go to the coding. Go to the coding.
Coding. Yeah.
Okay. You have done that particular previous screen, right? To make the screen non-editable. Previous module pool, you have done it, right?
Tab control program. Yeah, tab table control.
Yeah, take that in another session. Whenever, okay, first of all, whenever you are trying to type it now, always try to use pretty printer only. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, try use pretty printer all the time. All the time, I'm saying one more time, all the time. Can you just click on pretty printer? All the time, try to use it. Don't forget.
Okay.
Think of that we have like multiple, maybe 1,000, 2,000 lines. So how will get an idea that which line is for which one and which and if which one is for that. Okay.
Okay.
You have to start with this pretty printer. Give it. It's not in the user command.
User command will be.
Okay, try to check it. What you have written in the user command. Try to check first.
I forgot.
Here also you haven't used a pretty printer. You can see loop is there, module pool, module modify screen is there. Everything is
Set lines. Well,
yeah,
modify.
I don't know. You take it. What you have done. Where you have written it, you can take it. Activate it first. Activate it first. You have changed it, right?
Where? What to take?
I want to see the lines. The commented now. To make the field non-editable now that you have done it. Where you have done it.
Just tell me. I forgot. All of a sudden, if I ask, how can I?
No. Just check the coding that you've done. Set lines. What is that set lines? First of all,
That is for scrolling.
double click on that. Okay, fine. Go back. What about the status 9000? Have already written whatever you have written, the screen visible items that you have to return in that PBO, right? You haven't written that. Where is that?
What?
Surabhi,
I'm checking.
that active and all, where is that?
I have written. This is ugly.
Is it the table control program or maybe another module program?
Table control TC.
Table control.
Check the other programs that you have done now. Just try to check that.
I have done some. I will check and share. Okay, 1 second.
Okay. And the same thing that has showed that now in the pretty printer, well, painter, na, layout painter, I have seen that we can directly disable the fields, right? But if the screen, always that particular screen is being disabled, now we can directly go it for that. Think of that, sometimes that field needs to be editable. So don't try to give the tick there and tick that input field. Don't try to do that. Instead, we can directly do the coding by the use of this active screen equal to 0. Based on the logic, based on the requirement, we can directly use it by the use of that. Okay. At that time, if every time one particular screen or one particular field needs to be notable every time, okay, at that time we can directly go with that screen painter, that input field, we can directly untick it. Okay. If any logic we have to write it, think of that particular screen needs to be editable based on some logics. Okay, based on some screen requirements. At that time, we can directly untick that input field. Okay, that we can do it by the use of coding. That means that loop at screen and screen activity, so that we can actually do it, and the grouping and all. Okay.
Okay.
Surabhi, are you still searching? Hello.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm searching only.
You have done only 3 or 2 programs, right?
But I have done so many as a trial, so I'm confused. Oh, even the heading
Do I have to do it? I think I have to do it, guys. Otherwise,
Anyway,
yeah,
what
she is
was
not
the
going to
program name? I
get it.
forgot.
I have to write the entire code. Now I haven't done that table controller. That's why I've just said to share the screen. I think I have to do it. Okay. In the meantime, just check it. Surmi, I'll be coming as well. I have to share something. Maybe I will do it maybe in a couple of times after that. Check it and let me know.
Okay, I'm still checking.
Yeah, I'm just checking how, do I have anything else to show you? That's right, show you guys. Let me check that as well at that meantime.
Nikhil,
Yeah, yes.
you told we use 4 events in module tool.
Yeah.
That last one, POV and POH.
Yeah.
What is that?
to give that F4 help, na? F4 search help, F4 and F1.
Did
That
we
is what we have to
use?
use.
Did we use?
Yeah, we have to use it most of the times. We haven't used it. You can directly check. You will directly get the coding, everything from the internet. When you want to think of that, we have used a employee table. Okay. You have created one table and you have used that. How you will get that F4 help, search help? You won't get it, right? Until and unless you have to create a search help, right? And try to give it that basically, right? For those types of requirements, we can directly do it by use of this one. Okay.
Okay.
That is what we have to use it for those types of things. Fine.
Okay. Fine.
You will get enough number of details from the internet. You will get it. How to use it F4 search help. Okay. Okay. Just a minute, guys.
1 second.
Yeah.
This is the program. Hello.
Yeah, this is the program. Yeah.
Oh, finally.
Finally. Yeah. You have to write it down. What are the things that you have done now? You have to write those programs. So that when someone is asking, you can directly show it now where you have done it. Sometimes they can ask, the reviewer can ask, where is the program that you have written it? The previous times they might have asked 1 or 2 persons, I think, which program that you have done, show that particular program that you have done for that. Okay. This is fine, leave it. I just want to see you can find it out or not. That's it.
YouTube tutors. Okay.
Yeah, you have to be specific. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So just let me share the screen first. Okay. You can see the screen, right? C28. This program that we have done. MP3 that we have done. Okay, fine. So here in the 9002, we haven't created anything, right? Oh, okay. We haven't created anything. Fine. Okay. And then I will do one thing. I will try to create one. That's the only way possible. Wait. In the include, in the top include, we have taken, okay. ITVBR, we have already taken it. Okay, fine. WBBRK, then ITV fine. Okay. Table control, we haven't done anything at all. Guys, you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have gone with the tab tree first. And after that, we have to take table control is also there, right? C P L type table view using screen.
9,000.
It's not 9,000, it's 9,002, right?
2.
We will see if any issues happening or not. Even this one also. Okay, this one IT, is it IT VB or IT VB RP, right? VB RP, IT VB, fine.
Actually, what are you trying to show?
Sorry,
Actually, what are you trying to teach? I forgot.
I want to teach, but I don't have the table control, right?
Yes.
I'm trying to create one.
What's the heading? Topic name?
Nothing. I'm simply
Nothing.
doing the rest of the part that I've done in the previous day.
Okay. Then we can sit and watch.
That is what always it is happening right now. Okay, we haven't taken the table control, sorry.
Will you give assignment today?
Yeah, if you need, I can.
The portion is not yet complete,
You
right?
got it?
No, I don't want.
What is the name that you have given? Separators, horizontal, vertical. Don't try to give unwanted space. Okay. What I'm just trying to say is that I will try to show you. This one we have got this much of space, right? That's free.
Yeah.
Always try to make it rest of the fields now. Try to make the fields big. Try to avoid that these types of spaces if we have that. Okay.
Okay. Why?
Sorry.
Why we have to avoid?
When you're trying to share the screen after the module pool T code, it will be showing the space, unwanted space. That's why. It will show the space now, unwanted space. That's why we have to avoid these types of spaces. We can directly make it big. Okay. This one is small. We can directly give this one as well. Here, like 5. And visible line 5. We can see this one, just make it big, right? 6. So that the whole entire this name needs to be visible. That's why. Okay.
Okay.
Definition like this 10. This is taking from the our DB database table. 10. Visible length is the word that we have to see. This you can see billing talk. It doesn't show the full, right?
Yes.
So for that, what we can do is that we can directly make it maybe 15. The definition length is still 10, but it is the visible length is 15.
Okay.
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 Sales unit, we can see sales unit. Just trying to give 10 so that this one will become big. So this one space is there, right? So we can directly go with that. Okay. If we
Okay.
want to remove this one space as well, we can directly do it. 1 or 2 spaces it will directly get 10 or 11. Whatever.
Okay.
Fine.
Mm.
Item I will try to give 7. This code completed, right? Try to make it this way so that the screen that will be showing that okay, we haven't taken everything. We have to write the query right here. In PBO. For the main screen only, we have to give the status 9002. Okay. Always when you're trying to create a screen, this one will come as commented. As I said before, we don't have to take it.
Okay. Okay.
Super GT. BBRP, right? WA. BBRP.
BBRP, no? It's
BB. With control TBL. Hyphen CTR, right? Loop, same and loop. If you are trying to type like this way only, it's trying to activate, it won't get activated. The field is not assigned to a loop, right? Must appear in PBO and PA. That means you have to write this down here also. Same that you have done previously. Loop at this at you have not given it at that time, right? Shalini, I'm talking about you.
yes.
This is the way we have to give it. If you're just trying to activate, now it will get activated. This loop and end loop needs to be given in that same exact way only.
Okay.
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 So also here inside we have to change that work area, right? WAVBRP, right?
Yes.
You don't have to change it for the label. Okay.
Okay.
Only change it for the fields only. Remember.
Okay.
You can give it for this one, but there is of no use if you're just trying to give. There is of no use. You don't have to populate anything in this particular field, right? It's just a label. Doesn't make any sense if you want to change that. Okay.
Okay.
What are the data which is coming? We have to change that. WA. Try to copy the same thing. WA. Okay. Can see this one I have taken it from the GV WebLet. Okay. Second query, when you write select star from VBRP item data into internal table where WebLet is equal to, we have already we have passed this GB WebLet and we have got the data into WVBRK, right? So here instead of this, don't try to use this. Okay. Instead of this, we can directly give VBRK WebLet. Okay. This is what I'm just trying to say previous times. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If the subASI is not equal to 0, then this will go to this select enter valid documenter. If the same first query just got not executed, then we have to show this message, enter a valid document number. So if we have got the data in the WVBRK, we have until and unless if we got the data, then we have to call the second query. Okay.
Yeah.
Select star from VBRP into ITVB. Okay, ITVBRP. Just a minute. Arik is facing the same sometimes, just making this weird server issues.
No,
Yeah,
You're getting that.
no. I
What about Surmi? Are you getting that?
Or sometimes when my net is down.
anytime I guess. I think my net speed are slow, that's why.
Yeah,
Actually, I'm
getting-
using mobile network. That's it.
Okay. And also one more time. Oh, it is not taking that. Shit.
Nikhil,
Yeah.
reviewer might we check what we are done in the coding screen.
Sometimes they might ask. That means if you haven't answered the questions now, they will ask to share the program that you're done for that. Sometimes.
For not answering.
Yeah, if you are not answering.
Any of the questions or some questions.
Not the some question. If you have done that now, that particular programs that you have done, that they might ask.
They can ask line by line that what is meant by S by sub RC, what is meant by if we use that. They can ask.
I don't know, depending on the reviewer only. I don't know that.
But this by
If they
using
hard, then
right?
they ask anything.
Sorry.
For the next batch, the current batch, no, Arya's batch, you will be the reviewer, right? You can
No,
ask
I was a reviewer for previous batch as well.
Then what were the questions you asked at that time? You can share that, right?
I haven't shared till now. I haven't said anyone to share the screen. I know that you guys are not currently. You guys are not the Mark Zuckerberg, right? Just know a simple part of SAP. So what's the use of making you mostly confused? That's why I won't ask the people to share the screen most of the times. Just the simple questions I might ask most of the time.
What were that simple questions? Tell me.
Say whatever questions that I have said. Those are the things from the module pool as well as the smartphones.
Only that much questions.
Which questions I have already said now? What are the questions that I have already said every questions and answers at the same time when I'm just trying to take the class now?
Yeah.
Those are the questions that I'll be asking most of the time.
What is you mean by okay code and all?
Sorry.
What do you mean by what is the purpose of okay code? Like that questions.
The simple questions. At least what I'm just trying to think is that we just got the basic things. That is what I'm thinking. I'm asking for. I'm checking. That's the main thing. Anyway, I know that all those people that are just trying to ask, they don't know most of the things. They must just know the basics, right? Basically, what are the things that we have said now till now? Those are the basic things. Instead of talking unwanted things now, they will get confused. That's why I won't ask those sort of questions most of the times. And I think one of the two persons, I think they have joined also after this session. And after I have said done now, after that. From Odisha, I think. Odisha, yeah, one person from Odisha. He's just currently working now in our company. Just going joined from Ivy Learning Hub. I just came to Trivandrum. He joined and he's coming regularly to the office. Just 2 months back, I think. I've taken the review at that time. Sorry?
You took their review.
Review, yeah. Yeah. There will be a main review as well as I said before, by the Sumit, na, that I said before,
Sumit
the
Gupta.
main person, company owner, na,
Hmm.
Sunil Gupta as well as Sumit Gupta.
I googled.
Yeah. So Sumit Gupta is the child of Sunil Gupta.
I saw him in the net.
Yeah, you can directly see him maybe in IVL website.
Hmm.
Okay.
Actually, that Odisha boy, how did he perform for the review? Did he
Who?
tell all the that guy who told that you previously said now, one who joined from Odisha?
Odisha, yeah, Odisha.
Nikhil.
How did he perform for the review
Yeah.
session?
No, say
He was
yours.
fine. He was fine. He was able to answer, I think, like more 70 to 80%. He was able to answer that.
Means if we answer 70 to 80%, then we can select.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. As I said, I have already said that, na, that you guys are not Mark Zuckerberg right now, or the Apple CEO Tim Cook, na. You know what you have done till now, right? So what's the use of asking unwanted questions? Just trying to make you confused, right? That's what I'm just trying to say. If you know the basics now, then it's fine.
If we
Okay,
have some communication problem, what would we do?
that you have to take in care of. I can't do anything at all for the communication and everything. That you have to take in care of.
Already told.
They should also, they sit on maybe in empty room, and that sound was very echoing.
Sorry.
Their sound was echoing that time.
You can
I
actually
was
say
not
your
able to
sound is getting
listen.
echoing.
Huh?
You can actually say it, your sound is getting echoing.
I told her lots of time, but I don't know if she understood or not. I was asking, come again, come again, come again. Sorry, I didn't listen. But she didn't care.
Yeah.
Is Nikhil,
Yeah.
is there need to recruitment
Wait,
in
just a minute. What we
IVL?
are- Just a minute. If subbus equal to the select star from BBRP into table, sorry.
Indo.
Say it.
Yeah.
I was trying to concentrate here. What I was just trying to write. You can ask Giriya. What was that?
If they will hire,
Okay.
if there any requirement, then they will hire, no?
No, the main thing is that whenever you're just trying to take the course from the IV Learning Hub, na, they will have advantage for most of the time.
Okay.
Basically, you guys will get the first preference. Okay.
Okay.
After that, they will take the people from the outside. If they are getting from the IV Learning Hub itself, now they will directly take it if you are performing well.
Without interview.
I'm not going to answer that without interview. What is that?
So means they are evaluating us. That's
Yeah.
why it's like interview, no?
That will be live interview, yeah.
Yeah.
But the questions are they will give multiple. Sometimes they will give 1 or 2 times the chance for the interview, no? If it is from the outside, no, they won't give multiple times. There will be only single round will be there. Single round means if they haven't performed well, just done.
Okay.
Okay, if you guys haven't performed well for the first round, now it's fine. First round means first attempt. I am talking about first attempt, not the round. First attempt. Okay. They might give second attempt. Sometimes third as well. If you are improving in multiple attempts, if you're just trying to improve in multiple attempts, that will be fine.
Nikhil,
Yeah.
our first attempt has gone, no?
No,
No,
I'm
that's
not
review.
talking about this one. I'm talking about the main session, not this review. I'm talking about the Sumit one.
Sumit will be
Okay.
taking the interview. What is
Yeah.
this? Oh no.
Nikhil,
If you want to
he
join
asked in which you teach now whole syllabus.
yeah, whole syllabus.
SAP.
The theory questions will be always there. You have to make it by heart. Theory questions.
Actually, Nikhil, we have discussed in DDIC pool and reports smartphones. These 4 only, no?
Yeah, 4 topics only.
Yes,
Yeah.
only this for your whole SAP.
This 4 only. This 4 only.
Okay, fine.
What is enough?
These are easy, much easy than whole syllabus.
But you have to say the answer. Whenever they are asking questions, you can't directly, you can't say that just simply one lines, we can't say it. You have to say the answer. Okay. Don't try to just bubble this one, that one. Don't try to say that. We have to say the answer, right?
Mm.
If you say the specific
Okay.
answer, that will be fine. You have done it, but how, if you are just trying to express that, if you know that, then it's fine. Otherwise, you are still not studied well, right? The expressing thing is the main thing. If you know the answer, we have to write, say it specifically.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, there is of no use. You know, but you don't know how to say it. That's of no use, right?
Mm.
They can give a machine test and I don't know.
No, machine test. How? You are on different place, right?
Yeah. I can assign and I have done so many.
What is Mason desk?
Writing the program.
How much time they have to wait so that you guys can write it down. Anyway, that's not going to happen, by the way.
Oh, during interview.
Yeah. ITVBRP, WVBRP, WAVBRP. Why it is not taking the data? It's not fetching it.
I have to complete.
Sorry.
Nikhil,
Yeah.
can you make a PDF printer? I
PDF
told you
what?
now. I tried but not activated.
What?
A smartphone PDF converter.
Smartphone PDF converter. You can directly get the PDF by the use of PDF exclamation mark, right?
Actually, I tried on the net, but SS OFT and OTF and then PDF. Do 2 steps. I tried, but something I missed.
Show me if you got what you're done. I have to see it now. What you're done. Okay.
That thing I missed. One.
Why we are not getting the data in the building doc? We will see.
That I'm not completed.
9,002.
Nikhil, they ask for random opening. What I done? Yeah, they ask which we have to done.
Sorry.
Yeah, actually, I'm making a lot of things. Na? Something I completed, some job are not completed in my side.
Okay.
I completed that's I explained.
Okay.
That some job I'm not completed. They maybe open that.
Yeah, they will ask why you haven't completed. That's for sure.
Okay, I will delete all those programs.
Sorry.
I have also done like that. I have wrote program for deleting and then table entry and all. I didn't
What?
complete it.
Okay.
No, I'm trying to complete it.
In that program that you told me that it's completely wrong, right? That delete and all. For deleting.
You can actually delete that remove part. Then it's completed, right?
No, I can't. I was not able to delete it. The row.
No, I'm not talking. I'm talking about just comment or delete that particular delete query. That's it. It's just completed, right?
I have done it as a separate program.
Okay, then you can remove. Then you don't have to show that particular program. No, it's fine.
Okay, I will delete that program.
You just need to be specific that this program that you're done. This program that you're done. Those types of program you can directly show it. Rest of the things you don't have to. Okay. Fine. I'm just trying to say now, I haven't checked. I'm getting some errors, I think. Just want to check what was the error. We are talking too much now. I was not able to concentrate. Just a minute.
I didn't talk at all.
No, you can share. It's fine. Just trying to say that when I just here say we can't have this option to do multiple things. That's right. One data we are getting, then, but it is not showing in the tab. Why it is not showing in the tab? You guys have any idea? We are getting the data in ITVB RP. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Use corresponding fields of.
What's the use of that? I've already used star, right? Then what's the use of corresponding fields?
I wrote like that.
You don't write that. That's the wrong query. If you are using star, don't ever try to use corresponding fields.
Okay.
You're taking the entire fields from the table, right? Yeah, we don't have to use the corresponding fields. If you're taking only single one or two, select single or select star or select some fields now. Fields, those basic fields, Babylon, Posenar, those types of things. If you're using it, you can directly go with into corresponding fields. I have already said if you're using star, don't try to use corresponding fields.
Okay. I will
It will
change.
make the query lag. It won't query it now, it won't take it fast. It will directly lag the query. So what will happen is that whatever the field that you have written, or if it is star, it will directly check the field in our database table, and it will check single lines from the internal table as well as the database table. Those equal to will check for every field which is there. If you are using star, and think of that, we have like 300 fields are there in the database table. And if you're taking the data by the use of corresponding fields, and we are using select star, what will happen is that individually both tables will check for this field equal to. Okay. So at that time, what will happen is that the query will take multiple enough times, or it will make the query laggy. Instead of taking the program in milliseconds now, statement that needs to be executed in milliseconds, it will take more time. Okay. We can use corresponding fields and only and until and only if you are using select particular field, select Babylon, Posenar, VR, KME, those types of fields, if you are using, we can directly go with into corresponding fields. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, don't try to use. Okay. Now ITVBRP. Why it is not taking?
Okay.
Oh, this is GTVBRP.
Name change.
Sorry.
No, that was I.
No, GT.
Yeah.
This one. Okay. Okay. Now we will see what will happen. Just taking the data, right? So as we have seen here we have written this looped screen, right? To make these fields not editable, right? You remember that active equal to 0. I will try to give G1 for different fields. Okay. Layout. Okay. You can give any name, G1, I1, A1, B1, C1, any name you can give. Okay. It's not specific that you have to only use G1, G2, G3 only. Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
And think of that. I'm just trying to give the same, this one coding. Okay. Set screen, module set screen. I'm just calling here. When we try to make this common up, what we have done this by use of this way, right? Set screen. And we have called the set screen output, right?
Mm.
I'm trying to uncomment this one. Loop screen group equal to G1. We are trying to make this group activate. Screen active equal to 0. I'm activating it. I will just try to execute it. We will see. Check. I am doing it. Okay, taken it. Let's try to review. This one just came. For the tab 2, I have already written this one, set screen, but it is not taking it, right? For the 9002, for the item.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
why it is not taking this, that? This is an internal table, right?
Mm.
Whether we're trying to make it, loop at screen doesn't have that particular screen grouping, everything, it won't get it. Okay. As it is a loop, that particular statement doesn't get that particular, which is in the loop or not. So what we have to done is that, for if it is the internal table, sorry, not the internal, but internal table, that means the item data which needs to be showing in the table control, we have to write it inside this one, inside the loop. Okay. This module now that we have to write it. That we have to write it inside the loop only. Loop at IT VBRPW with control table control, right?
Okay.
We have to write it inside the loop. Then right now we will see if it is working or not. We'll try to check if it is working. If you want to make the entire screen notable. Look, notable, right?
Yeah. Okay.
But I have called in the outside. It won't take. The table control has got the values, right? G1.
Yeah.
So inside this with control table. So inside this, we have to call this one. Otherwise, that won't take. Okay.
Okay.
Another thing, one more thing that we have to take care of is, this is an important question that Sumit might ask for sure. This one, the user command, we have written this when exit, back or cancel, right? This one, we don't. Mostly for the initial days, we will try to use it. But SAP has something like exit. Exit command is there. Okay. Exit command. What you write is that module exit, or whatever the name you can give. You can give exit command or whatever name you can give. Okay. At exit command. Okay. We are just trying to, like the module that we have done, we are just trying to create a module which is for the exit command. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, I'm just trying to create this module inside the PAI input. This one is for the main screen only. Inside this one, we have to give this one. Back, exit and cancel. This is called as exit commands. Back, exit and cancel. This one, we need to write it here. We don't have to write it inside this one. Okay.
Why?
That's why. This is for the exit, right? We have to leave the program, right? So that's why it is called as exit program.
Nikhil,
Yeah.
What will he ask then? What is exit
in
program?
module we have used two code command. Yes.
Yeah, it's fine. Module command, na exit command. Exit command means whenever we're just trying to press this back, we can go back. Here we can write it. It's fine. Okay. But as per the coding standard, SAP has given something like exit command.
Okay, fine.
This is standard coding that we have to follow. When you're just trying to check standard lines, standard module pool programs in SAP, This is the way we will get it. For the initial times, we can directly write it like this way. Okay, code, when back, when exit, when cancel, everything, we can write it down.
Okay.
Okay. It's fine. But think of that. If you have like multiple okay code, not the multiple okay codes, but multiple 100 lines are there. Every time we don't have to check for the back and exit and cancel, right? Until if the person just clicks back, exit or cancel, right? What is the use of going to the same when back, when exit, when cancel? We don't have to go with that, right?
Okay.
Yeah, rest of the things is the main thing. The main coding part, everything we have to do it here. For that purpose, we have given this option to give the exit command. Okay, here inside the module at exit command, when I'm just trying to, if I'm just trying to execute it, there's no change, but this is the way we have to type it down. If you're just trying to show you initial times now, you will get confused why you have to give it. That's why I haven't given at that time. Okay, every data, sorry. We are not getting the data. What happened? Anyway, we will see. Just a minute. We'll take the data. It is not taking the data. We just got the data, right? ITVBRP. What was that? Three lines which are getting. 3 lines are not coming. Something just happened somewhere. You will see. Try to check by the use of this one. You will see if it is making the issues error or not. Shit. You are getting the data. Okay, the data is coming, but this module set screen is making some errors, I think. We'll see. Open screen. Define screen. This is what we have to write it. Oh, it's not activated. Fine. Screen group 1. Screen group 1 equal to 0. Carbon is making some issues, I think. This module set screen is making some issues. Module set screen, we have to group at screen if screen group equal to G1 active screen active, sorry, screen active equal to 0. Set screen. We will see how to make the screen non-editable in item. I will check. I will check and we'll let you know. Anyway, the coding that we have to write it inside the loop only. Okay. Look at screen. If screen name space it screen input active modify screen. This is what we have given. By the use of the grouping, we can directly do it. Table come to looping is there already. Loop at screen if field table screen to equal to 1. Screen. Guys, anyway, I will see. I will see and let you know. Okay. Hello.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
That is where we have to write it down. We have to write that particular things inside this loop. Otherwise, it won't get it won't get active. Okay.
Okay.
Write it inside, but I will check this query. This query means if screen group is the same thing that we are using. The screen active. Yeah, I will see anyway. Okay. Guys, anything other than that? Let me check. And if you have any pendings now, I will try to teach you maybe in the Monday. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want an assignment to be done, or you can do it maybe in the coming next week?
Next week.
Okay.
But
10-5. Okay. Gaurav, just try to complete it. Okay. Rest of the topics. Shalini, same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pending
I have
things,
a lot of
everything completed.
assignment.
Okay.
What?
Pending things, everything completed.
Okay.
And try to make the notes as well.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay then, guys. Yeah.
Okay.
See you
Bye.
maybe in the next
Okay.
video.
Okay. Bye. Good night.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Yeah.
Bye.
Good night.